Hi, I'm Anders Olmenson, and I'm the CEO of REMmastered Sleep. I'm here to demonstrate how to use our REMplenish water bottle. You want to take the instructions out, as well as the straw cleaning brush, the straw boot, and then we have the REMplenish therapy nozzle right here. So this is the key part for the therapy. First, read the instructions. So this is going to be important to read through to make sure you're using it properly, as well as it has great educational information. You're going to want to clean all these parts with hot soap and water beforehand. Then to assemble it, you just put the straw boot on the bottom, the nozzle onto the straw, insert it into the bottle, and then it'll be loose, but when you close it, it'll be secured for travel. So to take a drink, just open it. You can pinch down the lid with your finger and then just take a sip. You can suck the nozzle up. Super easy to use.